Welcome to your Mortgage Insider Update for September the 16th. That is the Fed week. On Wednesday, we'll get the Federal Reserve Open Market Committee statement and dot plots. Now, this is a pretty highly anticipated meeting. As of today, 65% bet 50 basis points, 0.5% cut could come from the Federal Reserve meeting. Many think that they could have done that first 25 basis points back in July, missed that opportunity, and this could be their makeup round. We shall see. It's going to be more about the future and what the Fed says is going to be their next move. So in anticipation, let's take a look at the charts. So we start Monday off with a 10 basis point reduction in the 10-year Treasury, making it below a pretty serious line that has been held 6 of the last 7 trading days. We'll take a look at that. The mortgage-backed security market is up 4 basis points. Pretty minor start to the week as we anticipate the Fed meeting on Wednesday. Here's what I meant on the 10-year. You see September 6th, the day of the jobs report came out. Pretty hefty drop intraday, but level by the end and just slowly moving its way down in anticipation of that CPI report last week. Initially dropped the 10-year rate just below the 3.66% range, and then we see it bounce right back above that as we got not well as expected CPI and PPI producer price inflation reports. So as we start this week off, the bets are that a 50 basis point cut could come. That's a positive. It would keep interest rates moving lower below that 366 line. But if we see anything different than that, or any kind of hawkishness, comments from the Federal Reserve that this is going to be their one cut and maybe not another one for a while, that could very easily put us back into a position where we have a pretty good distance. We'd have to go back to hit the 25-day average. So we'll keep an eye on that Wednesday. So listen out in the news this week. You'll hear the Fed statement on Wednesday. We'll come back to you next week with a breakdown and an update and see what the results mean to the bond market. Have yourself a great week.